Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Firdousi Islamic English channel. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you forever and ever. The last day of Ramadan. It can be 28th night or 29th night, and next day is going to be Eid. What happens on the day? On the day, there is no Taraweeh because the next day is Eid. And what about the first day? When you start, after seeing the setting of the moon, then starts Taraweeh. Taraweeh is started, the fast. And then comes the fasting, Sahur. Then continues for 1 month. And again when the last night of Ramadan Kareem comes, no Taraweeh because the next day is Eid. And what is on the last day? On the last night of Ramadan Kareem, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Oh my dear people, those who observe, fast, those who did prayers, come on, come to me. For 1 month you did the hard work, and today is your reward. Today is your salary day. Today is the bonus day. Take it from me. For 1 month you did all these taraweehs and prayers and Quran and reading everything and fasting and all that. And on the last night of Ramadan Kareem, people are not there in the mosques in Taraweeh. There is no Taraweeh. It doesn't mean that there is no Taraweeh means to say you just finish Isha and run away to the shops. No, you can sit and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala even after Isha. Thank Allah. Alhamdulillah, subhanallah, alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. Say that. Because for 1 month you got that, you were fortunate enough to get that 1 month, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is blessing you, is giving you, is rewarding you. Say shukran, shukran, shukran. Instead, I have seen people in my city rushing to the shops, getting clothes to their family and their children and for themselves, buying in the night so that the next morning they wear. Really, I can't understand. I can't tell them. I can't make them understand. Do you have to wait for that particular night of the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and leave everything and go to the market and buy the clothes and everything for the children? Can't you buy that before? Why can't you do it at least 1 month before Ramadan also? Buy those clothes and keep aside for Eid. But remember the last night, when once you finish your 29 days and nights of Taraweeh, and when you finish your Ramadan night goes, Allah's night comes to reward you. It's not the time that you have to run away to all these business centers to buy things and get ready and prepare for the next day of Eid. No, my dear people, you have to wake up now. Right now you buy things, whatever you want to do it for Eid and keep aside, and every day you are fasting and praying. Every night you read Quran and then you zikr and say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, subhanallah. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. May this blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on you for the whole month and for the whole life of yours. Jazakallah.